third graders. Today we are talking about our controlled vowels, and I'm going to be showing you my screen, and then I have a whiteboard in front of me as well that I'm going to be holding up for different words and talking about different ideas. So today we're talking about our controlled vowels, but I just want to remind you, that we talked about before we left school about silent or ghost letters, and we talked about W, R, and K, N, but I'm going to specifically talk about W, R. W, R says R, just like rocket or ranch, but it has that silent letter. Our controlled vowels, as you know, are very similar to that. We are going to be talking about a few R control vowels today, and then you're going to be working on them on Spelling City. So the first R control vowel is AR, and it says R, like a pirate, R. And this is like artist, R. The next R control vowel is like ear. It looks like ear, but it's actually and this is like pearls. So it's a 3-letter R controlled vowel. It says The next is has 2 letters. It's an R controlled vowel, like a fern. The next is IR, like girl. The next controlled vowel is OAR, board, or like board, like a keyboard, or. This is an or, 2 letters, or like orchestra. This is an word, like worm, and word has a W-O-R, worm. The next is or, 3 letters with an E at the end, like score, all says or. UR, like curtain, it has an sound. So those are all of the ers. This week we're not working with all of them. This week you are going to see ER, IR, WOR, and just check. Oh yes, EAR. So you're going to see today in Spelling City, you're going to see ER, IR, WOR, WOR, and EAR, like earth. So we're going to jump over to look at some words that have these sounds in them. They are ferment. Ferment has 2 syllables, and the first syllable has ER. And the next word is carpool. Carpool has 2 syllables, and the sound R comes from the 2 letters AR, carpool. The next word is circus. Circus has 2 syllables. IR says in the first syllable, circus. Purchase. Purchase has 2 syllables. UR says in the first syllable. And the last word is support. Support has 2 syllables, and it says OR in the last syllable. And if you will, please read these 2 sentences. Awesome job. Now you will move on to Spelling City, where you're going to practice ER, IR, WOR, WOR, and EAR in your spelling list. But we're not having a spelling test, it's just a spelling list to practice some words through Spelling City. And then after that, you get to read the story, Hottest, Coldest, Deepest, Highest, all about cool places on Earth. So please enjoy today's reading, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you.